हर बरस 26 नवंबर 2008 मुंबई अटैक की याद में एक कमेमोरेटिव गेट टुगेदर का आयोजन करने की दिशा में पिछले कई वर्षों से जगदीश सेवानी सक्रिय रहे हैं। इसमें इंडियन कॉन्सुलेट और इजरायली कॉन्सुलेट ने भी उनका साथ दिया है। इस बार ये कार्यक्रम वर्चुअली आयोजित हुआ। कार्यक्रम के आयोजन से पहले आयोजन में मुख्य भूमिका निभाने वाले जगदीश सेवानी जी ने ITV के दर्शकों के लिए हमसे बातचीत की। उस बातचीत और मुंबई अटैक से संबंधित घटनाक्रम और तैयारी के बारे में जो चर्चा हुई उसका कुछ अंश प्रस्तुत है।
उतना ठीक
बिल्कुल अशोक जी, वो जो 2008 का जो 26 नवंबर का दिन है, इन 4 दिन हमें इट हैज लाइक एज्ड इन आवर माइंड, कभी भी हम नहीं भूल पाएंगे। नॉट ओनली ताज होटल, ट्राइडेंट होटल, द छत्रपति शिवाजी रेलवे स्टेशन, एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट इवन Jewish नरीमन हाउस वाज अटैक्ड। कि भारतीयों की तो लाइफ गई थी, बिसाइड्स दैट काफी अमेरिकनों की भी लाइफ ली गई और काफी जूश लोगों ने भी दे गेव देयर लाइफ बाय दिस सेंसलेस एंड मर्सीलेस अटैक बाय Pakistani terrorists trained by Pakistan military and ISI. It was a shameless terrorist attack supported by Pakistani government.
तो पहले उस वक्त मैं इंटरप्ट करके माफी चाहता हूँ, पहले वो लोग ये कहते रहे कि ये नॉन स्टेट एक्टर्स हैं एंड दे केप्ट ऑन डिनाइंग कि वो पाकिस्तान से बिलोंग करते हैं। हालांकि जो अजमल कसाब जो कि बाद में पकड़ा गया था, उसके फादर का इंटरव्यू आ रहा था, उस गांव जहां से वो बिलोंग करता था वहां के लोगों के इंटरव्यूज आ रहे थे, लेकिन पाकिस्तानी गवर्नमेंट months together kept on denying or they kept on asking for more dossiers to substantiate Indian government's they were saying it's accusation, evidence मांगते रहे थे वो। तो आप उसके बारे में भी थोड़ा हमें बताइएगा कि इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने पाकिस्तानी गवर्नमेंट के साथ में जो भी इंटरेक्शन किया, was that meaningful, fruitful, क्या रिजल्ट मिला हमको उससे?
Well, you rightly said, अशोक जी, आज तक पाकिस्तान गवर्नमेंट अभी तक एग्री नहीं कर रही है कि उन्होंने ही ट्रेन किया था। बट 12 साल के बाद, थैंक्स टू अवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी एंड आई वुड से अनप्रेसिडेंटेड कोऑपरेशन विथ USA and Israel, today India is much safer place under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
I would like to thank my dear friend and colleague from the Israeli Consulate, Consul General Istek, Israel, for joining this session. American Jewish Council, AJC, Rabbi David Levy, and our dear colleague and friend from the Israeli Consulate, Madam Adwa. Your presence here, your solidarity here means a lot, not just to us, but each and everybody in the world who stand up for peace, stand up for unity, stand up against the bullets of terror and terrorists.
We were all shocked by the news emerging from the vivid Indian city of Mumbai as a large scale of barbaric terrorist attacks were carrying out against civilian targets across the city. The terrorists target innocent Indian civilians and foreign tourists, as well as the Mumbai Chabad house. 178 Indian citizens were murdered, as well as 29 foreigners, among them Israelis, and we mourn and remember the victims today. We here in New York, we have made it into a tradition to celebrate together. We have a lot to do together to fight hatred, to fight terrorism, but also to make good and to bring good to the world.
Tonight, I'd just like to offer a few prayers. First, a reading based on the Hindu tradition, then a reading based on the Jewish tradition, and finally, the traditional the Kaddish, the traditional Jewish memorial prayer remembering those we've lost. May the entire universe be blessed with peace and hope. May everyone driven by envy and enmity become pacified and reconciled. May all living beings develop abiding concern for the welfare of others. May our own hearts and minds be filled with purity and serenity. May all these blessings flow naturally from our prayers. And we ask, Source and Creator, grant a perfect rest under your tabernacle of peace to the victims of terror throughout the world, men and women whose lives were cut off by witless aggression. Tonight we remember the attacks on Mumbai 12 years ago where innocents were murdered and wounded. Remember with love the survivors of these horrors throughout the world. Grant them shelter and solace, comfort and consolation, blessing and renewal.
26th of November each year will not look the same after I served in India. Every 26th of November, I was traveling with our ambassador to Mumbai. I participated in the ceremony in the city just next to the Mumbai Hotel. I slept at the Mumbai Hotel, the magnificent Mumbai Hotel, and as an Israeli, and an Israeli that her second home now is India.
Elizabeth Russell from Canada. She was a soul who loved to sit along the seashore and adore nature. She was finding her joy in Mumbai. She was unaware of the doom that was looming right in the corner. A dedicated nurse in Canada, 65 years old, Elizabeth, was just starting enjoying her life after her retirement, but the malicious acts of terrorism carried out by the Pakistani terrorists closed that chapter of her life.
I think we Indian Americans as well as Indians should change our attitude in terms of if something wrong happens to our kith and kin, we should not forget, as well as we should look at that as a reference point to upgrade our preparedness. I think we need to learn a lot from Israel.
This commemorative anniversary of 11/26, and this was not possible. This was not possible without the active support of Jewish Committee, American Jewish people, and the Consul General of Israel, and our Indian Consulate. They are totally behind us. They are with us 100%, and their support is very, very valuable in this program.
So,
And I can tell you one thing, that Indian Consulate, whenever there is Indian issue related to any Indian Consulate here is very proactive.